Hi everyone, it's Miss O'Neill and we are back with today's Fundations lesson. So you should have already done your warm-up drills, so that's just already out of the way. We are on Unit 10, Week 2, Day 4.1, and I put the point 1 there because Day 4 is going to take us 2 days. Right now for 4.1, we are going to do some trick word review, and we're also going to have a word of the day. Tomorrow we're going to have our Day 4 check-in before our first distance learning Fundations test. Breathe in and breathe out. You are going to be A-okay. Let's go ahead and get started with our trick word review. So remember, you know how this goes. I show you the word and you say it right to the screen. I'll say it right back to you just to make sure that you were right. And then we move on to the next word. Okay? I want you to keep track. No, actually, I don't. You're going to be all set. This one's going to be easy. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Football. Stapler. Yes, religion book. Awesome. That one's a tricky one. That's 2 words. Sneakers. Sneakers, yep. Yes, you got this one. Puppy. Absolutely, you got it. Picture frame. Picture frame. Something, oh, this reminds me of something. Oh! Happy April Fools! I got you. Or maybe I didn't. I don't know. I can't tell. All right, let's go ahead and really start our trick words. All right, use used, full pull, talk walk, brother mother, new no. Wonderful. Let's go ahead with the horizontal ones. Shall, sure, animal, different, large, eight, change, America, right, again, pretty, please, carry, I'm gonna start going faster, once, often, only, away, move, picture, learn, earth, school, family, every, done, house, together, against, both, city, answer, world, thought, place, something, night, father, always, goes, country, and great. Awesome. You did a great job. Let's see. Were you able to beat me? Or was I going a little bit too fast for you? I wonder. That's a question for another day, because right now we have our word of the day to take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and let's just write it on the board together, because we've actually already spelled and tapped this one out before. Our word is delay. Are you ready? Get those elbows up. D, d, e, e, oo, ooh, a. Put it together in syllables. D, lay, and one big scoop. Delay. Awesome. What gives me the d sound? What gives me that d sound? Wonderful, the D. What about the E? Awesome. We know that it's going to be a regular E because it's at the end of the syllable. And any vowel at the end of the syllable is always going to be open. D, E, D. Awesome. Now we have the last syllable, lay. Ooh, oh, oh. What's that letter? Awesome, L. And now we have our choices. What 4 sounds make A? First, give me the 2 vowel teams that we've learned. Awesome. A-I, A-Y. What vowel consonant E makes an A sound? Awesome, wonderful job. A-E. And what open letter makes an A sound? Awesome, you got it again. A with Macron. We know that it can't be A-E because there's no other consonant here. The last sound in our word delay is A, so it can't be here. Since we know that the A is the last sound, we also know that AI is not going to be it. Does it almost always show up at the beginning, the middle, or the end of a word or syllable? AI. You're right, it's almost always in the middle. And so we can go ahead and cross that one off. That means that we just have AY and an open A. Let's see. Let's go ahead and erase these. I'm going to write both words with both options so we can see for ourselves which one looks like it's going to be our winner. What are you thinking? Number 1 or number 2? Which one says delay? 1 or 2? Yeah, I'm right there with you. I'm thinking it's AY. What you can do is you can double check in a dictionary, you can double check with your grown-up, or you can double check with an Alexa or a Siri or a Google, whatever you have at home if you have those. Okay? Awesome. We have our what if they all written down. What does the word delay mean? The word delay doesn't mean to stop something altogether. It just means to kind of hold it off for a little bit. So when we have a snow delay at school, does that mean that we don't have school at all? Or does it mean that we start, but it's just a little bit later on in the day? Yeah, it means it starts. We just have it later on in the day. Okay? So let's go ahead and mark up the word delay. How many syllables are in delay? Clap them out as you say the word. Delay. Delay. That's right, there's 2. Let's go ahead and scoop those syllables. Delay. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and mark this syllable as open because I have my vowel at the very end, so I know it can't be closed. I'm going to put a macron over it. Over here, I have what kind of syllable with my AY? Ah, that's right, nice. It's a double vowel syllable, which means I'm going to mark it with a D. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and circle the AY. That's how we mark up delay. All right, let's see. For our sentence, let's say, the school, I'm going to do it a little bit this way because I'm sitting over here. The school had a 2, and I want you to write the word 2, or the word for the number 2. 2 hour delay. The school had a 2-hour delay. So on your own word of the day paper, just like this, if you've been following along, there we go. You should have your word of the day, delay, written down and all marked up. You should have your sentence, the school had a 2-hour delay. Make sure there's a capital T because of the start of the sentence here, and you have a sentence stopper at the very end of your sentence. It could be a period if you want the sentence to sound like, the school had a 2-hour delay. Or you could put an exclamation mark if you want the sentence to sound like, the school had a 2-hour delay. All right? Now you're going to go ahead and scoop your sentence. Remember, you scoop your sentence the way that you would read it out loud. So if I was going to scoop it, I would think to myself, the school had a 2-hour delay. So I would go ahead and scoop. Or actually, the school had a 2-hour delay. Go ahead and take a minute to scoop your own sentence, saying your sentence out loud as you scoop. Awesome, wonderful job. Go ahead and give yourself a kiss on the forehead and a pat on the back. For the rest of Fundations today, to make sure that we are ready for our check-in tomorrow, I'm going to ask that you grab this graph and write paper. We're going to go over the directions together now. The directions say, write the words in the correct column. These are the columns, and these are the words. We have to organize our words and put them in the right column. For this column, you need to write down words with long A sound at the end. Words with long A sound at the end. We know if we have a long A sound at the end of the word, is it going to be AI, open A-E, or AY? Wonderful. We know that that sound is going to be an AY. So any AY words can go right there. Sorry, that's a little messy. This column, you're going to write words with suffixes. So any word over here that has a suffix, you're going to put in here. All right? And words with a long A sound in the middle. A long A sound in the middle. Is that going to be AI or is that going to be AY? Wonderful, that's going to be AI. And you know what suffixes are, so I'm not going to write them down there. Awesome. Amazing job today. Go ahead and give yourself a kiss on the forehead and a pat on the back. I can't wait to see what you come up with for here. I'm so excited to see your answers. All right. Love you lots and miss you a bunch. I'll see you later.